Hello, in front of me I've got COBRA C25. In this video I'll show you how to calibrate motion sensors. To calibrate motion sensors on your controller, let's go to Settings and go to Controllers and Sensors. Scroll all the way down and select Calibrate Motion Sensors. Select Calibrate Controllers and now hold down minus or plus on the controller you wish to calibrate. Remove any straps or accessories attached to the controller. Place the controller with the control sticks facing up flat. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.